Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Hanan Rahman, and as you all know we are doing the series called Computer Networks. So this is the fourth video of that series. So today we are going to talk about Ethernet. So Ethernet, have you ever wondered how your devices talk to each other at a blazing speeds without any lag? That's right, it's because of Ethernet. Ethernet is providing you connection so that your devices can talk to each other. So what is Ethernet? Ethernet is a wide connection that helps us establish a connection between LAN, MAN and WAN. It also prohibits use of two devices communicating at the same time or sending information at the same time. It prohibits that thing, and also it is usable for a smaller local area network. So if I tell you in simple terms, if you connect your computer, smart device or printer in a grounded Ethernet connection, it will automatically connect to your local area network. So this is a concept of what Ethernet is. So now we're going to talk about why do we use Ethernet. So basically the uses of Ethernet. So we use Ethernet because it provides high speed data transmission. The connection is secured. It cannot be breached by anyone. And third one is that it is reliable because the reliability of this connection is up to the maximum point. So now we are going to talk about types of Ethernet. There are three types of Ethernet: fast Ethernet, the switched Ethernet, and gigabit Ethernet. So we are talking about fast Ethernet. So fast Ethernet is a type of coaxial cable. It provides speed up to 100 MB per second. Now gigabit Ethernet. So gigabit Ethernet is a advanced form of fast Ethernet. It provides speed from 100 megabytes per second to 1 GB per second. The third type of Ethernet is switched Ethernet. So this Ethernet type install networks like switches and hubs so as to improve the transmission speed. Its speed ranges from 1000 Mbps to 10 Gbps. So now we are going to talk about how Ethernet really works. So I will tell you in 3 points how Ethernet works. So the first step is acquiring the physical address, i.e. MAC address of sender and receiver. So the second step involves checking security, data security, quality and connection speed of the network for efficient transmission of data. Last step is to check network traffic and detect errors. If there are some errors, so you need to solve those errors through the protocols provided. Like CSMA protocol is provided to check packets. So in today's world, Ethernet is very important. As we all know, our network is totally dependent on Ethernet, because if an Ethernet cable, if the connection is disrupted, we all panic because everything depends on Ethernet internet. Because Ethernet is also too much important in our daily life, and it is also important and it is reliable. So it is also advancing because it has gone to a limit of 400 gigabytes per second of data transmission speed. So it is a huge thing for in this world, in this modern world. So I guess this was it. Today we have talked about what Ethernet is, uses of Ethernet and types of Ethernet and how Ethernet works. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.